Electric wiring in the house or a building may be defective and a fire may start due to leakage of electricity. Means due to short circuit we can get the fire accidents. Due to short circuit we may get the fire accidents. These are all reason for fire accidents. Okay, how can we get the fire accidents? Because of our carelessness. Okay, see children, when you are using matchsticks, they may fall on that burning stick may fall on the person's clothes, means it leads to fire accidents. While people are cooking in the kitchen, sometimes they used to wear synthetic cloths. They may catch fire easily. It leads to fire accident due to defective wiring. Due to defective wiring means electric wiring have any defects in the house, it leads to short circuits, it leads to leakage of electricity, and it causes the fire accidents. And while you are burning the firecrackers also, there is a chance to get the fire accidents. And one more thing, some people used to smoke a cigarette. Used to take cigarettes now. What they will do, they used to lit the cigarette with the help of matchsticks, and without seeing here and there, and they'll throw it on the ground. Okay, if it happens to fall on a heap of papers or a dry grass, it may causes a serious fire. Okay, unknowingly if they are throwing, but it leads to a fire accident. It leads to fire accidents. So all these are causes of fire accidents. Okay, simply I am going to explain. Fire, any accidents can be occur because of our carelessness. Okay, today we discussed about fire accidents. A fire can be caused due to different reasons, some of which are I am going to revise once again. Okay, carelessness while burning matchsticks and firecrackers, Nana. Electric faults leads to fire accidents. Leakage of electricity due to the defective wiring in the house or any buildings leads to fire accidents, Nana. And wearing synthetic and nylon cloths also, sometimes they may catch fire while cooking food or while they are in the kitchen. While people are in the kitchen, these cloths attracts the heat and it causes a fire accidents. All these are reasons for fire accidents. So the accidents are happened. So how to prevent? See, before happening this accident, we have to stop the fire accidents. We have to prevent the fire accident. How can we prevent the fire accidents? Simply, while we are cooking, we have to wear cotton cloths. While cooking, we have to wear cotton cloths. Cotton cloths are heat resistant and they can't catch fire easily, Nana. And one more important reason for fire accident is gas or kerosene stove also. Oil also. Oil also causes the fire accident, Nana. One more important thing. In case of gas leak, it leads to the fire accident, Nana. Gas leakage also leads to the fire accidents. And careless using of oil stoves, kerosene oil stoves and gas also leads to fire accidents. Now we are discussing how to prevent the fire accidents. Okay, we should be very careful while cooking food. We should not go near to the fire by wearing nylon or synthetic cloths. By wearing nylon and synthetic cloths, we should not go near to the fire. Whenever we are in the kitchen, compulsory we have to wear this cotton cloths. Nana. Should not wear nylon or synthetic cloths. And these matchsticks are there, no, they should be keep away from the children. Children, they don't know So for play purpose, they used to use the match boxes. So boxes should be kept out of the reach of children. And while they are playing with the firecrackers also, we have to take care of them. We have to avoid burning firecrackers, Nana. And before throwing these matchsticks, whether it is completely put off or not, we have to see. Okay. Next one. Every time, at least every 6 months, we have to check the electric wiring of our house. All electric wirings in the house and in buildings should be checked for any leakage from time to time. If they have any doubt, immediately they have to call the electrician, and they have to check the electric wiring. Matchsticks, burning matchsticks leads to the fire accidents. So while burning matchsticks, we should be very careful, and we have to keep these match boxes away from the children. And electric short circuit also leads to fire accidents. So to avoid the fire accidents, regularly we have to check the leakage of any electricity or electric wiring. We have to check thoroughly in the house now. And while cooking food, people are wearing nylon and synthetic cloths now. By wearing a nylon and synthetic cloths, we should not cook the food. Okay, adults should be very careful while cooking. By wearing nylon and synthetic cloths, they should not go near to the fire, Nana. And while burning firecrackers also, we have to, elders have to take care of the children. And before throwing the matchstick, they have to check whether it is completely put out or not. They have to check. If you follow this one, we won't make the fire accidents. These are all preventive methods of fire accidents.